Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queens TV. I bring you the Igbo language, the Igbo cultures, the Igbo learning, the Igbo speaking, how you say things in Igbo. I bring it in this video. So guys, I'm going to start by saying thank you very much for 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for supporting me, for supporting your girl. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. I am very happy to reach 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much guys for supporting me and God bless you. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to say my brother, my sister, baby, or how you say it in Igbo. I'm going to be teaching you guys how you say maybe your wife give birth or your mother gave birth to a baby boy and how you say it in Igbo language. So guys, let's start. And please, if today is your first time watching me in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Just subscribe down there. You can subscribe, like. So let's go straight to our lesson. How do you say baby? How do you say baby in Igbo? Nwa. Nwa. That is baby in Igbo language. You say nwa. Nwa is baby. Nwa. Like men say, nwunye m amụọla nwa. My wife have given birth to a baby. Nwunye m amụọla nwa. My wife has given birth to a baby. Nwunye m amụọla nwa. Then if you want to say, what did she give birth to? Ọ mụrụ nwa gịnị? Ọ mụrụ nwa gịnị? What did she give birth to? Ọ mụrụ nwa gịnị? She gave birth to a baby boy. Ọ mụrụ nwa nwoke. Ọ mụrụ nwa nwoke. She gave birth to a baby boy. Ọ mụrụ nwa nwoke. She gave birth to a baby girl. Ọ mụrụ nwa nwanyị. Girl is nwanyị. Girl is nwanyị. Nwoke is boy. Boy is nwoke. Ọ mụrụ nwa nwoke. She gave birth to a boy. Ọ mụrụ nwa nwanyị. She gave birth to a girl. My wife. My wife is nwunye m. Nwunye m. My wife. Nwunye m. Ọ nwunye m. She is my wife. Ọ nwunye m. My husband. Di m. Di m. Husband is di m. Wife is nwunye m. Don't forget. Baby is nwa. Ọ mụrụ nwa gịnị? What did she give birth to? She gave birth to a baby boy. Ọ mụrụ nwa nwoke. She gave birth to a baby girl. Ọ mụrụ nwa nwanyị. Wife. Nwunye m. Wife. My wife. Ọ nwunye m. Ọ nwunye m. My husband. Ọ di m. Oh, di m ọma. Di m ọma. Ọ di m. Onye a nwanne m. This is my brother. This is my brother. Or he is my brother. Or nwanne m nwoke. Brother is nwanne m nwoke. Brother is nwanne m nwoke. She's my sister. Or nwanne m nwanyị. She's my sister. Or nwanne m nwanyị. That's she's my sister. Or nwanne m nwanyị. She is my mother. Onye a wụ nne m. Nne is mother. Nne. Nne is my mother. Mom is nne. Mother is nne m. Nne m, nne m, nne m, nne m, mama. Afọ mụrụ m achara ugo, mama. Nne m, nne m, nne m, nne m, mama. Precious gift, I love you, mama. If I dey worry, you know they sleep. Every day, mama pray for me. Ihe dị maka nke mere gị o, mama anything for you Ihe dị maka nke mere gị o, mama mo, mama you too much yo. Nne is mother. Nna is father. Your father is nna. Nnam, there's nnam. Nnem is mother. Nnam is father. Nna is father. My sisters, my brothers. Umunnem, there's all of them. Both your sisters, both your brothers. Umunnem. Umunnem. There's all of them. They are my sisters. They are my brothers. There's umunnem. 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 They are my mother's children. Yeah, they are my mother's children. Umunnem. This is my mother's sister. Nwanne mam. Oh, nwanne mam. Where are you going to? Ke ebe ị na-aga? Ke ebe ị na-aga? Where are you going to? Ke ebe ị na-aga? Are you back? Ị lọtala? Are you back? Are you back from work? Are you back from school? Are you back from the market? Ị lọtala ahịa. There's are you back from the market? Ị lọtala ahịa. Market is ahịa. Market is ahịa. Ị lọtala is are you back? How do you say welcome in Igbo? Is no. 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 Take it easy. Jiri nwayọ. But some people can say jiri ya nwayọ. That's take it easy. It's still the same thing. Jiri ya nwayọ. Some people say jiri nwayọ. Jiri ya nwayọ. Slow down. Slow down. Jiri nwayọ. Obere obere. Obere obere. Be happy. Nwee aṅụrị. Be happy. Nwee aṅụrị. That is be happy. Don't be sad. Just be happy. Be happy. Don't be sad. Why are you sad? Please don't be sad. Be happy. Nwee aṅụrị. Nwee aṅụrị. That is be happy. Nwee aṅụrị. Igbo person. Onye Igbo. Igbo person. When you see Igbo person, that is Onye Igbo. This person is an Igbo. Onye a onye Igbo. Onye Igbo. Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwezuonu. Onye Igbo. Igbo person. Igbo people. Igbo people. Ndị Igbo. Ndị Igbo, you cannot count them. Igbo person. Onye Igbo. Igbo people. This one, there are too many. Too many Igbo people. Ndị Igbo is called Ndị Igbo. Remember, Igbo person, that is one person. Igbo person. Onye, that is Onye Igbo. Igbo people. Ndị, instead of Onye, Ndị, that is, they are many. They are many. Ndị Igbo. Ndị Igbo. Igbo people. Ndị Igbo, you cannot count them. So there are too many. It's called Ndị Igbo. You cannot count us. Can you count us? Can you count us? You cannot count us. Ndị Igbo. Igbo people. Ndị Igbo. Igbo people. Hi, Igbo amaka. In my next life, I want to come as Igbo. Animals. Ụmụ anụmanụ. Ụmụ anụmanụ. That is animals. Animals. Ụmụ anụmanụ. Animals. Ụmụ anụmanụ. Is good. Ọ dị mma. Is good. Ọ dị mma. Is good. Ọ dị mma. Something is good, yeah? Is good. Ọ dị mma. Is bad. Ọ dị njọ. Something is bad. Ọ dị njọ. This is bad. Ihe a dị njọ. Ọ dị njọ. Foolish person. Onye nzuzu. Foolish person. Onye nzuzu. You see how I squeeze my face? You see how I squeeze my face? That's how they squeeze face. Onye nzuzu. Na-ezuzugharị. Foolish person. Onye nzuzu. Our house. Ụlọ anyị. Ụlọ anyị. Our house. Our house. Ụlọ anyị. Ụlọ anyị. That is our house. Our church. Ụlọ ụka anyị. Ụlọ ụka anyị or ụka anyị. Some people say ụka anyị. Some people say ụlọ ụka anyị. That is our church. Little time. Obere oge. Obere oge. Please give me little time. Please, just little time. Nye m obere oge. Obere oge. Give me little time. Or nwamgbe nta. This one is popular. Nwamgbe nta. Like that song. Nwamgbe nta o. Ọ gaghị adịgide. Ọkwa nwamgbe nta o. Ka ọ ga-adịgide. Nwamgbe nta. That is obere oge. Obere nwa. That is little child. Little child. Tata. Obere nwa. Tata. Little child. Obere nwa. That is little child is obere nwa. Tata. Obere nwa. Little child. Tata. Obere nwa is little child. Unique. Ọ pụrụ iche. Unique. Ọ pụrụ iche. You know, things like special. These things are special. Like special things. Unique. Unique is ọ pụrụ iche. God child is nwa Chineke. God child is nwa Chineke or nwa Chukwu. Guys, we're going to stop here. Please do not forget to subscribe. I know you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe, comment any topic you want me to bring up in the next video. Please put it in the comment section. I will reply, and I will reply you very quick. Give me a thumbs up to show me that you like this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up to show me that you enjoyed this video. And please do not forget to share with your friends that doesn't know how to speak Igbo. Maybe there's learning or looking for a way to speak Igbo. Don't forget to share with your friends, your family. Share, comment. I'll be very, very happy. I appreciate it. Thank you guys. God bless you. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye guys. Love you guys. Love you guys. Mwah.